Have you ever sent out an email and after some time you are like, oh, disaster, because you wanted to recall back the email? What you sent out was not exactly what you intended to send, but the email has gone out and you don't know what to do. Do you know that Gmail has a feature that can help you delay, to undo your email after sending it out, right? I'm going to be showing you how to do that so that you are able to recall your email, undo the email you have sent out within a window that Gmail has provided for you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel. I'm excited as always to have you back today. So this feature is very powerful. I'm going to be showing it to you practically how to do it. All right. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video which we release every single day. Just click on that subscribe button. Remember to like and share the video. And of course, if you have any question, use the comment section, and I will see you. Let's go inside and see how to do it right now. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to log into your Gmail. Log into your Gmail to avert this disaster. I know some of us have had to deal with this kind of disaster, sending an email and at the end, it is not what you actually wanted to send. You wish you could recall the email back. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to do that. So log into your Gmail and go straight to setting. Your setting is somewhere at the upper right hand corner. Look at it. This is your setting button. When you click on this setting, you go to all settings. See all settings, right? You click on it. When it loads, you now come down to undo send. Can you see it? Undo send. You see send cancellation period. Now for most accounts, this is set to 5 seconds. And I mean, 5 seconds is too small for you to, before you can even think, 5 seconds is done and the email has gone out and there's nothing you can do again to be able to undo it. Okay, so you're going to click on this arrow pointing down and go to the maximum, which is 30 seconds. So take it to 30 seconds and set it to 30 seconds. All right, once you do that, the next thing is to scroll down to the bottom and click on save changes. Save changes and you're set. That means next time you want to send an email, the platform will tell you that you have 30 seconds to be able to undo the email. So after you have sent the email, within 30 seconds you can undo it. That means you can recall it. The person that undo icon that will appear. All right, let me show you. Let's say we're composing an email, right? Compose an email so that you see how you will see that it will show me that I have 30 seconds to be able to undo the email. Okay, so this is it. Sorry, compose. Okay, so let's say we are sending it to this email and the subject is testing, for instance. And I'll say I'll just type something, this just for the purpose of testing. I'll say hello. All right, then if I click on send, just watch what happened now. You will see that I have, okay, sending. Once it's sent, it will give me that option immediately, right? I can cancel it, right? I can cancel it. It's sending. Once it's sent, it's going to give me that option. So you can see the undo, right? I have 30 seconds. This thing is going to be open for 30 seconds before it disappears. So within this time, if what I've sent, oh, I just made an error, I made a mistake, I will just click on the undo. Undo will now record the email. That means the email will not get to its destination. It will return back. Can you see the email? The email is back in my inbox, my compose box. So I can now edit. Let's say it's not, I'm just testing, I wanted to write. I can now edit whatever I intended to write and correct it before now finally sending out my email. This is powerful. It's very simple but powerful. So many persons have to deal with life-threatening issues, right? You know, words are powerful. If it goes out, you can hardly recall it, all right? It will register in the mind of whoever read that thing. Even if you say, I'm sorry, right? It's still there. That is why this feature is something you should use, right? Make sure you activate it on your account and make sure you're using it because it will help you to avert disaster. So guys, this is how we call it a day for today, all right? If you have gotten value from the video as usual, what do? Locate that subscribe button in front of you. Just click on it. It's not going to cost you anything, but of course, it's going to encourage us. It's going to fuel our energy to keep delivering quality content to you every single day. I will see you again tomorrow. Remember to like and share the video. And of course, if you have any question or anything you want us to do for you in terms of content, please use the comment section. Tell us, and of course, we'll respond to you. And I will see you again tomorrow.